Hello guys, in this series of tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Django and Flutter to create cross-platform chat application. Before we continue, I'll show you how the application looks on our iPhone simulator. So let's go. This app will use some technologies like WebSockets and then push notifications with Firebase push notifications and so many other technologies in it. So this is a this is how the chat app looks. You can send a message, you can say, how are you doing? So to test out some other functionalities like the push notification, I will switch to Android emulators to test out those functionalities. So we start up the application on our Android device. So what do we see first? It asks us to allow notifications on the app. So we allow, and then we allow. We can create a new user here. First name, chip, and call it tab. I have a general password I use. Then if you leave this place empty and click proceed, it will tell you to fill all fields. But then if you put a wrong password, it will tell you that password does not match. Then alright, we can now log in the user that we just created. Over here, I'll log in myself, Orion Hachikezu. I already have messages from Orion Haoluchi, but I'll leave that for now. And then we send a message from the new user whom we just created by name TabChip. Then TabChip will send a message to Orion Hachikezu. Let's see how it is. Can you say hello? So once the message lands, it comes over here and you get a new notification that you have a message. When you click, it leads you into the chat, and then you can easily see the message that was sent to you. Alright, now that we have confirmed this, without wasting much of our time, let's head into how we can achieve this. Now we have to open up our Visual Studio Code and create a new Flutter project. With that, we'll open up our terminal. Once we open up our terminal, we go to the folder where we want to create the Flutter project, and then we type Flutter create, and then we give the name of the application or the project we want to create. I'll call it chat app and then we hit enter. Once we have successfully created our project, we can now move into the directory where the project is. We say cd chat app and then we run the project by flutter run and then we hit enter. Now our project has successfully been built and we have the default Flutter demo application. We'll clean this up in the next tutorial and start building what we need to achieve the chat application. In the next tutorial, I will focus on the back-end side of things, excuse me, where I'll create the Django application or Django project, which will feed our, our Flutter application with the back-end APIs that we need. So for you to get all this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and put on your notifications. Thank you for watching to this part of the tutorial.